Good afternoon. This is GV Group. The topic is, should anonymity be allowed on internet? Who would like to speak first? Sunil, please come up. You have to go, right? Sunil,
Yes, yes,
please
yes,
turn on
yes.
your camera.
Uh, in my opinion, this topic is regarding to the internet provide some authority of the author to announce some seat and some news to open internet market. I am right or wrong? The topic is that I don't not understand. Hello,
The topic is anonymity is allowed to internet. You,
yeah, yeah, understand. But I some query about this topic because I
that means
don't understand a comment. Yeah.
anonymity means
Stranger.
stranger, just like stranger in social media, and hide your personal details like
Yeah,
Angel
okay, okay,
Priya.
okay, 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 okay. I understand. Nowadays, is social media is the big important role in our life. That different types of people interfere, different types of software, social media to share our personal detail. Such in the some social media is high to Twitter, WhatsApp, Instagram. He he involve our personal life as it is our business life. So some types of market risk and some other crime rate also involved in the particular section. And in my view, though, is social media is the some restriction. Right now some government policies such as in India is involved the Google sub uh, uh, sub sub uh, data bank, some like a bank to involves only India's data particular sector, but the Facebook is the not approved this type of data. In my prospect, social media or internet 50-50.
Sunil,
I
basically
give
the
my
topic
opinion.
is, this is not the topic. Basically, the topic is about uh, the people who are creating fake IDs on the internet. Like it is on any platform, any social platform. Like people are creating some other fake IDs and they're misusing their IDs for other reasons. So we have to speak on that.
Okay, okay, okay. I well understand. So this, just as I say, different types of people have different types of involvement. Early I said in this type of topic, I also create many types of ID because of the I am gamer, and also I am a different regarding of the creativity, and that prospect I create some ID for the gaming sector and some ID for a job related, and some my particular personal ID for the my personal opinion. Uh, so this is my opinion, and also some lack of other side also, because some people such as in Facebook, many people create fake ID for uh, I am enough for this topic. I am not preparing this type of topic. It is enough for me. I complete my view.
Okay, thank you. Anyone would like to speak on Sunil's discussion, what he has said?
Can I add my points?
Yeah, sure.
I think that there are two phases for the anonymity one, because for the ones the people, the normal people who all are like, you know, not into some criminal kind of activities. So, you know, there are some kind of introverts also, which, you know, fear to show their identity to the world. They think that they will be judged on what they do. So for them, anonymity is kind of right. But for the ones like people who are indulge in activities like cyber crimes, they often misuse people's identity, pictures, and you know, maybe they post it on their own IDs, maybe to gain likes and comments and followers. So for that, the opposition of anonymity also counts. So yeah, that's for me, because, you know, and we can't, I don't think like you can do anything about it. The only thing which we can do, for me, is that you know, if we find out such a person who is pursuing in who is indulged in these kind of things, we can internet provides us to block the user and report it, inform to the social media platform where you are using, like WhatsApp or Instagram or Facebook. So yes, that's we can do. So that's the solution I can prefer.
Can I say something?
Yeah, sure.
My opinion on anonymity allowed in internet is
Hello, I am sorry I interrupt you. Can I leave this class or
Yeah,
leave
sure,
the topic?
Sunil. You can go ahead.
Yeah, sure. Thank you.
anonymity is a right thing to for एक, एक second.
Akansha, would you like to speak something?
Yes, not everyone can freely express their views openly. If they do so, they may face threats or bullying. Anonymity allows them to express their views without compromising their safety and sanity. This upholds freedom of expression and can help in the betterment of the society and the world. See, anonymity is not new to our society. Since many years, several writers have opted to be anonymous to avoid judgment from their society and the community. And many people don't want to show their identity without show their identity to the public, um, and who have fame want to live their life freely without being followed everywhere. In real life, they can't go to some places to protect themselves from paparazzi, but internet they can choose to be anonymous. So anonymity is very important for the celebrities. For introverts also, it is very helpful to express their opinions, because they can't freely express their opinions in open. So online platforms is very useful for the introverts. And through anonymity we can ask questions and solve other doubts by using Quora, Reddit, etc. So anonymity is helpful to the some extent. So anonymity should be allowed on the internet. I'm done with my point.
I say something again. First of all, sorry guys to leave this meeting because in my phone someone is calling. But in my topic, anonymity is allowed to internet. Anonymity is very useful because anonymity is an platform to hide your personal detail and our profile. Just like when you talk to stranger, but uh, we can't share any personal detail to control the social crime, because when we share all details to stranger are used for crime and etc. And so anonymity is a very useful for celebrities and more peoples. So anonymity is the best for me. That's all.
I would like to give some views on this. As Akansha said and Ishika said, I agree with both of their points. Like at an extent, when the anonymity is there for celebrities and people like them who has to preserve their personal details, but there are some other people also like hackers and all that people who try to misuse this anonymity. Sorry, I'm not able to pronounce it well. Uh,
Anonymity.
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 Yes.
Anonymity. Okay, thank you. So, these strangers can misuse it very well because, you might have heard, like there are many cases that has come up with this unknown strangers who come up and put uh, not they spread various news and pictures that is not applicable for the society to watch or listen to them, or it can be false for us too, hazardous at an extent. So yeah, there is a option given report and blog, but sometimes so there are people who can use it very well too and who are like not using it so well. That both the people in the world. So most of the time, like if what can I say is like what am I trying to say is the people who is not able to perform the functions that are given to us or the liberty that is given to us, they're not able to use it to the fullest. They're misusing it. And as Akansha said, that like celebrities and all, even in the celebrities, there are some of the people who try to misuse their name too. So at an extent, this is not so great for us. Thank you.
Yeah, that's what I was saying, that the only way we can get rid of all such things is that we can maybe whenever we find out the person who's trying to use such kind of things, we can immediately report it, and make everyone also aware of that fake ID or someone who are doing like that, because uh, the person who's misusing other content, so the others know that yes, this is the one who's not in a good way. So yeah, they can make all of them aware of what he's doing, and it can be prevented at such extent. Yeah, that's for me.
See, anonymity is important at least until everyone in the world is capable of freely expressing their views, opinions. To reduce the negative consequences of allowing anonymity on the internet, awareness programs on responsibility and morals will be helpful to some extent. Children should be taught about internet ethics through schools. Moreover, punishing those who misuse the anonymity to harass others will act as a deterrent against such behavior. So, anonymity should allowed on the internet. Um, that's my point.
Would anyone like to speak on Akansha's point of view?
And I also want to make some point on government surveillance. In modern world, government surveillance is an increasing threat. To avoid the victim of that, anonymity helps. So anonymity helps to have a right to privacy. So anonymity helps in different manner, and it has disadvantages too, as as I'm as I has tell you to told you that we have a several options to stop the misuse of anonymity.
Guys, only we have 10 minutes left. So would anyone like to speak up? Would
Can you
end the
come again?
conversation with a conclusion, like what would you like to suggest that it should be there or it should get over, how it should get over?
I already suggest the conclusion. I had already suggest the conclusion
Yeah, I heard you,
Let
Akansha.
me
that
conclude.
children should be taught about internet ethics through schools. Moreover, punishing those who misuse anonymity to harass others will act as a deterrent against such behavior. And awareness program and responsibility should be should be a response should be started. So by using this type of programs, or by arranging this type of awareness program, we should we we direct into a we direct anonymity in a right direction.
I would like to suggest that as Akansha said that yes, it is true. The awareness campaign should be held for all the teenagers and for the people all around the world, so they can understand what are the uses and misuses of the internet. Like the report and the blog thing, it works, but sometimes we have to take our own precautions, like how we should use it. So we should be informed about that too, like the functions of the internet, how it is used, how it can be like dealt with if any problem comes in. Instead of going to blog and report thing, we can just avoid things like with some other stuff if they inform us. Like, see, in Instagram, Facebook, there are many features, right? So in those features, there will be many things that we can do instead of like just blocking or reporting them. Because like many times it happens that how many times will you report a person? Like there will be millions of people who will come and you have to report each and every time. So there should be some precaution that we also should take. That's it. Thank you. I would like to conclude this with my sentence. Anyone would like to speak? Or else I'll end the meeting.
Please end the meeting because the topic is very difficult for me.
Ishika, you wanna say
Yes, you
something?
should. I think we have done with our points.
Okay, so
Yeah.
Okay. Thank you guys for coming. Bye. See you on Tuesday.
Thank you.
Okay, bye. Thank you.